Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to tell you how to fix iPhone black screen of death. If you have an iPhone and your screen has been totally black and now you want to fix it, so let's see how can you do it. You just have to make a force restart of your phone. For this you have to press and release volume up and then volume down, and after that keep and hold the power button. So let's do this. First, quickly press volume up, then volume down, and then power button. And after that, you have to slide it to right. And after doing this, you have to press and hold the power button again to turn on your phone. Press and hold until the Apple logo will be shown. So now you can see I have turned on my phone. So that's how you can fix it, and if you want that this problem will never come to your phone, so you just have to follow them steps. For this you have to clean the charging port of your phone and do not use the defective charger or defective cable. You have to exchange them. So thank you for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.